Hi everyone and welcome back to another astronomical events video where I talk about the upcoming astronomical events, which for this video is April 2022. So if you don't want to miss out on any of my new videos, please do hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell as well. So starting on April the 5th, we will have two conjunction events that will happen in the same night. The first one is the Moon-Pleiades conjunction event, wherein the moon will appear very close to the Pleiades star cluster in the night sky. If you want to see this conjunction event, look to the west immediately after sunset, where you should see the crescent moon. The moon will be in its waxing crescent phase with 14% illumination when this happens, so it should not be that hard to capture the star cluster. At the same time, we will also have the Mars-Saturn conjunction event, wherein Mars will swing 0.3 degrees south of Saturn, creating a double star in the early morning sky. Look to the east during the pre-dawn hours if you want to see this event. The Milky Way core and the planets Venus and Jupiter will be visible at the same time as the conjunction event, and the absence of the moon makes this a great photographic opportunity. However, Jupiter will rise above the horizon during astronomical twilight, so you will need a clear view of the horizon to see or capture Jupiter. On April the 8th, we will have a Moon Apogee, wherein the moon will be at its furthest approach from our planet at 404,400 kilometers away from us. The moon will be in its waxing crescent phase with 41% illumination when this happens, so it will appear smaller than usual, but the difference will be very subtle. On April the 10th, we will have a planet parade of Jupiter, Venus, Mars, and Saturn in the early morning sky before sunrise. The Milky Way core will also be visible during this time, making this a great photographic opportunity to capture the four planets and the Milky Way core simultaneously. As the days go by, Jupiter will constantly rise above the horizon, making it more easily visible before astronomical twilight. If you want to see this planet parade, wake up before sunrise and look to the eastern sky immediately. On April the 11th, we will have a Moon-Beehive Conjunction event in which the moon will appear very close to the Beehive star cluster in the constellation of Cancer. The moon will be in its waxing gibbous phase with 72% illumination when this happens, making it quite difficult to capture the star cluster. On April the 19th, we will have a moon perigee in which the moon will be at its closest approach to our planet at 365,100 kilometers away from us. The moon will be in its waxing gibbous phase with 92% illumination when this happens, so it will appear bigger and brighter than usual. Now, April brings us the peak of an average meteor shower called the Lyrids Meteor Shower. The shower runs annually from April 16 to 25 and is produced by dust particles left behind by comet C1861 G1 Thatcher that was discovered in 1861. The shower peaks this year on the night of April the 22nd and the morning of the 23rd, peaking at 20 meteors per hour. However, the waning gibbous moon that is about to become a last quarter will obscure some of the fainter meteors this year, but there is still a chance for a good show. The meteor shower will be best seen from a dark location after midnight. The meteors will radiate from the constellation of Lyra, but can appear anywhere in the sky. From April the 25th to the 27th, the waning crescent moon will pass through the parade of planets in the early morning sky. The moon will first conjunct with Saturn on the 25th, then Mars on the 26th, and Venus and Jupiter on the 27th. This makes it a great photographic opportunity to capture the moon, the planet parade, and maybe even the Milky Way core simultaneously. On April the 29th, Mercury will reach its greatest eastern elongation of 20.6 degrees from the Sun. This makes it the best time to view the elusive planet Mercury, since it will be at its highest point above the horizon in the evening sky. Look for the first planet from the Sun in the western sky after sunset, but you will still need a clear view of the horizon to witness this. Mercury will be located right beside the Pleiades star cluster during this time, as it conjuncts with the star cluster the following night, creating yet again another great photographic opportunity. Finally, April brings us a special event this year called a partial solar eclipse on April the 30th. A partial solar eclipse occurs when the moon only obscures a part of the sun. This partial solar eclipse can be safely viewed using solar eclipse glasses, a solar filter, or the sun's reflection in water. The partial solar eclipse will be visible throughout most of the Southeast Pacific Ocean and southern South America, but it will be best seen from Argentina with 53% coverage. So that's it for the highlight for April 2022, guys. And I hope that you found this video useful and informative so far, and hopefully you'll be able to catch the partial solar eclipse as well as the Lyrids Meteor Shower that will occur in April 2022. And so, without further ado, I wish you good luck, clear skies, and enjoy the universe before your very eyes. And see you next time. And lights out!